Every success has the face of the mother. In this video today, I am going to be speaking about the importance of our relationship with our mother and how that relationship affects every other relationship in our life, including our success in life. Our ability to say yes to our mother is our ability to say yes to life. It starts right from conception. When she conceived us, what was her first response? Was she overjoyed or did she panic? Was she ready to accept us? Or was she not expecting us at all? Did she have thoughts of getting rid of us? How do we find our place in our own lives? Do we feel belonged? Do we feel like a part of the family? Or do we feel a little separate? Do we feel like something is unreal in our lives, as if we don't belong? All of this begins right from the time that we are conceived in our mother's womb. How was our mother's relationship to our father? Was he supporting? Was he loving? Or was he absent? Did he not support her? Did she have to manage all by herself? All of the trauma that she experienced is passed on to the child in the womb. How's the quality of the womb? Was it a loving, warm place? Or was it cold and hard? Did it carry the trauma of previous abortions, miscarriages, or of early deaths? Are you a replacement child? What about the trauma of your grandmother, which got passed on to your mother when she was in the womb of your grandmother, and now it's passed on to you? Maybe your grandparents faced war, famine, violence, abuse. Maybe they were migrants. Maybe they had to flee from their countries. All of those traumas are passed on to us from our grandmother through our mother. All of these affect our perspective, our outlook to life. What about our process of birth? Was it smooth? Could we push ourselves out? Could we struggle and come out of the birth canal? Or did we need help? Did we give up? Did we have to be pulled out in a C-section? And how are we in life today? Are we willing to struggle to get what we want? Or do we wait for things to come to us? How were we received after we entered this world? Did we have contact with our mother after we were born? Or were we put in a cold incubator, struggling for our lives? Did we feel abandoned because we were not connected to our mother for many days, maybe because of our own health or because of our mother's health? All of these experiences we carry in our life, and it affects every relationship and every facet of our life. How are you now with your mother? Do you wait for her? Do you wait for her approval even though you are an adult? Do you still crave for her approval? Do you turn away and not accept her compliments? Or are you disappointed every time you expect something and it doesn't come? Are you still a needy child waiting for your mother's approval? We carry everything right from the time of our conception to our adult life. Every experience that we've had with our mother affects how we live the rest of our lives. When we heal this very important relationship, it not only helps us heal our couple relationship, our relationship with our own children, our relationship with our sibling, it also affects the success in our life. When we can say yes to the mother, we say yes to everything that's available to us in life. Let's heal this most important and most beautiful relationship. We are connected to everything in life through our connection with our mother. In this 2-day workshop, using family constellation techniques, we begin our healing journey. Any feelings of rejection, any attempts at our abortion, Any negative energies of previous abortions, miscarriages, stillbirths, the pain and the trauma of those experiences which are still carried by the womb, and all the ancestral unhealed energies which got passed to us from our grandparents through our mother. We heal these so that our time in the womb is a beautiful, warm, loving experience. From here we move on to our experiences of birth. How was that? Could we push our way through? How has that affected our life? Or did we have to be pulled out in a C-section? Healing those experiences which now affect our ability, our drive, and our initiative in life. We move on to the younger us, to the young child who either felt loved by the mother or felt rejected, felt her cold emotional unavailability. All the split parts of us, the anger, the rejection, the sadness, all of that we heal and integrate back into us so that we can regain our vitality. Our experiences growing up, the beliefs that we carried about ourselves which come to us from our mother and from our environment, which are no longer serving us, letting go of these beliefs with family constellation work, we can then move on to healing our couple relationship, our success in life, and become open to receiving whatever it is that life has to offer us. Our success with our career is also affected with how we are able to say yes to our mother. Being grateful for having the gift of life and moving on to receiving life fully through the use of family constellation techniques. In this 2-day workshop, you will learn new techniques, experience new meditations in this healing journey from womb to your present state.